Unit 3, The World of the Living. Chapter 6, Nutrition in Plants. All living things on this earth need food to grow and repair their body parts. Animals and human beings depend on the plants for their food. Green plants are the only living things that can produce food. The leaves of green plants are green because of the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. The leaves prepare the food for the plant because of the presence of this green pigment. Air, water, and sunlight are also needed for preparing food. Photosynthesis. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata. Stomata are tiny holes on the leaf surface. Water is absorbed from the soil through roots. Chlorophyll present in the green leaves traps the sunlight. Therefore, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight are used by the leaf to prepare food. The food formed is in the form of sugar. The extra food is stored in the form of starch. This process of making food by the green plants in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. This term comes from two words, photo, meaning light, and synthesis, means putting together. Parts of a leaf. Take a leaf and observe it carefully. Lamina or leaf blade is the broad, flat, green part of the leaf. Apex is the tip of the leaf. Midrib or the main vein that runs along the center of the leaf. It is formed by a double pipeline of cells. One pipeline carries water and minerals to all the cells of the leaf. The other carries prepared food from the green cells to the other parts of the plant. Side veins are the number of veins found all over the leaf. Leaf stalk attaches a leaf to the stem or branch. If we turn a leaf over and look closely with the help of a hand lens, we will see millions of tiny holes. These tiny holes help the leaf and thus the plant to breathe. These holes are called stomata. Some amazing plants. Some plants do not contain green pigment chlorophyll. They cannot carry out photosynthesis. They are called non-green plants. Molds and mushrooms are such plants. They grow in damp areas and get their food from the dead and decaying plants and animals. Some plants like croton and money plant have variegated leaves. These leaves have patches of different colors. Only the green part of such leaves perform photosynthesis. In a cactus plant, leaves are reduced to spines. The green colored part is actually the fleshy stem. The stem undergoes photosynthesis and prepares food for the plant. The flow of energy plants trap the energy of sunlight to prepare food. They use some of this energy for their growth, but some energy is stored in their body in the form of starch. The energy in starch is transferred to animals when they eat plant food. Animals use part of this energy to work and grow. They store a part of the energy in their body. When some other animals eat these animals, the energy again passes into the body of the flesh eating animals in the form of food. This forms a kind of chaining called food chain. Interdependence between plants and animals. Plants and animals are dependent on each other. Plants give food, shelter, and oxygen to us and animals. In turn, we give out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants to carry out photosynthesis. This way, plants help in the purification of air. We also help in spreading seeds of plants and therefore help in increasing their number. Balance in nature. The independence of plants and animals creates a balance in nature. If the number of either plants or animals increases or decreases suddenly, this balance gets disturbed. If there is a sudden decrease in the number of plants in nature, the oxygen level in the atmosphere will decrease, leading to an increase in the level of carbon dioxide. Similarly, if there is a sudden increase in the number of animals in nature, it will lead to an outbreak of diseases and insufficient food to meet the needs of the growing population.